Installing a trailer hitch on your Jeep Grand Cherokee can help take you to some amazing places, like camping, biking, even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down this super easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. All right, to get things started, we're gonna go ahead and open the hatch so we can lower the spare tire. All right, to gain access to lower our spare tire, we're gonna start by removing these two clips, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Okay, with our spare tire lowered, we're ready to install our hitch. The 4 holes on the hitch are gonna mount up with 4 holes on a cross tube already on the vehicle. We're gonna use today our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one of these at home, please use an extra set of hands as this hitch can be a little bit awkward. Our kit came included with these spacers. That's if the hitch does not sit close against the cross tube that we just installed the hitch on. We're gonna use these 8 spacers in between the hitch and the bumper beam. In this case, we didn't need them. It was a nice tight fit. We don't need them at all. Next, we're gonna install the hardware. This is a 1/2-inch bolt, about 4 inches long with a conical tooth washer. We're gonna start from the inside vehicle going outwards into the weld nuts on the hitch, making sure that the conical tooth on the washer is facing towards the hitch. Okay, using a 1/2-inch ratchet and a 19mm, we're gonna go ahead and snug these up. Okay, using a 19mm socket and a 4-inch extension, we're gonna come back with our torque wrench and tighten down to manufacturer specifications. You can find those details in the description below. All right, now we're ready to return our spare tire back up into the factory position. With our hitch installed, we've now pulled our vehicle onto level ground to give you some important measurements for some of your hitch accessories. So this is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the receiver is 2.5 inches. From the top of the receiver tube to level ground is 17 inches. These measurements will help you determine the length, rise, or drop of some of your hitch accessories like a bike rack or a cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen here or wish to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.